Let's go. Trusted Signals bot is working. It's in test mode. Let's go. Are you looking for solid entries like these on XAU USD? Do you want buy and sell signals to be sent directly to your phone like these? Well, pretty soon we're gonna have these automated by the TrustedSignals robots that will enter for you automatically. But for now, we're gonna talk about the settings for XAU USD. XAU USD 5-minute settings. What up, Trusted Signals, and welcome back to the channel. Here we have the 5-minute chart pulled up for XAU USD. Those Discord alerts that you saw in the beginning of the video are these signals that will be automated fully by an expert advisor trade robot, which Trusted Signals is going to launch very soon. So I'm extremely excited to share this information with you guys. These are the settings. These are the signals. Just look at this sell signal here on XAU on the 5-minute. This short having a 193 pip move. This long here going all the way to the sell signal having a 200 pip move. And the one before that going in for a short 86 pips. Let's just continue on over here. We had this sell signal, and if we go from where it fired all the way down to where the buy signal came out, and that is good for 84 pips. We could do this all day, you guys. Let's just check out this one here. This buy signal, let's say you entered right around here, all the way to the sell signal. That's 280 pips in the bag. Definitely excited to have this robot launched, though I'm not too sure if the EA Trusted Signals robot is going to be ran on the 5-minute, the 1-minute, the 15-minute, or the 1 hour. The time frame hasn't been given to me, but the settings have. Let's go ahead and dive into the settings. So here we have it. These are the settings for XAU USD that work extremely well on the 5 minutes and also the 1 hour. You're gonna want to put V2 as the script version. Signal settings will be manual, reactivity at 2.6, depth at 3, and very important, turning on the ADX filter at 36 for the ADX smoothing and 34 for the DI length. Once you hit OK, you are all set and have these settings for XAU USD that will be traded automatically through the Trusted Signals robot. And if you remember watching this, feel free to use these settings, test them out so you can enter the trades manually while waiting for the official release of the Trusted Signals Expert Advisor, which should be coming in the next following months. And for all of those that are watching this and not a member, I highly suggest you join, because the lifetime members will have first access to the auto trade robot. And right now Trusted Signals has a discount for the lifetime membership, so I would hurry up while these offers last. That's it for now, Trusted Signals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give this video a like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family who are looking for a trade system that will improve their trading. Once again, Trusted Signals, let's go!